If you want to pay utility bills using a credit card in India, you care about only three things. 1. How much cash back or how many reward points you get when you pay your bills. 2. How much of that benefit you actually keep after platform fees and convenience charges. 3. How much you can save every month before the bank stops giving rewards because of caps and limits. Most normal credit cards give very poor value on utilities. The best cards either push you to use special apps like Airtel, PhonePe, and Tata Neu, or they use an indirect trick with gift cards and wallets. Based on how much money you can save each month, here are the top cards and why they matter. Number 5. Axis Ace Credit Card. Axis Ace is for people who want easy 5% cashback and do not want to use many tricks. It works best if you pay your utility bills through Google Pay on an Android phone. When you pay electricity, gas, internet, and DTH bills using Axis Ace on Google Pay, you get 5% cashback on these payments. The same 5% bucket is also used for Swiggy and Zomato, and the total cashback from this whole bucket is capped at 500 rupee per month. If you pay 10,000 rupee of utility bills in a month through Google Pay, you receive 500 rupee cashback, and anything above 10,000 rupee gets 0% extra reward. Google Pay now also charges a small convenience fee on credit card bill payments, usually between 0.5% and 1% of the bill value. So even though the 5% cashback still leaves you with a net gain, the real net rate becomes closer to 4% or a bit less. Axis Ace works best for users whose total utility bills are below 10,000 rupee per month and who like the simple flow of Google Pay without buying gift cards or moving money into wallets. Number 4. Airtel Axis Bank Credit Card. The Airtel Axis card is built for small and regular household bills, and it is very strong if your daily life already runs on Airtel Mobile, Airtel DTH, or Airtel Broadband. When you use the Airtel Thanks app to pay bills with this card, you get 10% cash back on electricity, gas, and water bill payments with a cap of 300 rupee per month on these utilities. For example, if you pay 3,000 rupee of utility bills in a month through the Airtel Thanks app, you receive 300 rupee cashback, which is the maximum on utilities. On top of this, the card gives 25% cashback on Airtel services like mobile, broadband, and DTH, with another separate 300 rupee cap per month. So if you pay 1,200 rupee of Airtel bills, you get another 300 rupee cashback. A user who pays 3,000 rupee of utilities plus 1,200 rupee of Airtel bills every month through the Airtel Thanks app can save a total of 600 rupee per month. The Airtel Thanks app now often charges about 1% usage fee on utility payments made by credit card, so on utilities, you keep around 9% net benefit instead of the full 10%, but even after this fee, the value is still high for small bill amounts. This card is best if your utility bills are close to 3,000 rupee per month, you are already an Airtel user, and you want one simple app for both recharges and utility payments. Number 3. PhonePe HDFC Bank Ultimo Credit Card. The PhonePe HDFC Ultimo card is for people who live inside the PhonePe app and want a higher reward rate and cap than Axis Ace. Inside the PhonePe app, on select categories such as utility bill payments, mobile recharges, and travel bookings, you earn 10% reward points when you pay using this card. The 10% bucket is capped at 1,000 reward points per month, and 1 point equals 1 rupee as cashback. So you can earn a maximum of 1,000 rupee per month from this category. If you pay 10,000 rupee of utility bills in a month through PhonePe using the Ultimo card, you earn 1,000 rupee, and after that, any extra spend in that category earns only the base rate. Axis Ace gives 5% up to 10,000 rupee with a cap of 500 rupee, while PhonePe Ultimo gives 10% up to 10,000 rupee with a cap of 1,000 rupee. So, for the same 10,000 rupee of utility and recharge bills, PhonePe Ultimo saves double the money as long as you are comfortable paying inside PhonePe instead of Google Pay. PhonePe HDFC Ultimo is best for families whose total utility plus recharge bills fall between 3,000 and 10,000 rupee per month, who already use PhonePe for UPI and bill reminders, and who want their rewards as clear statement cashback instead of coins or airline miles. Number 2. Tata Neu Infinity HDFC Bank Credit Card. The Tata Neu Infinity card is the heavy lifter for big households. It is designed for people who actively use the Tata Neu app, do groceries on Big Basket, and have high electricity or gas bills. When you pay utility bills using Tata Pay inside the Tata Neu app with this card, you earn 5% new coins on these transactions. 1 new coin is equal to 1 rupee, and you can redeem new coins on Big Basket, 1 Milligram, Chroma, Air India, Tata Click, and other Tata Group platforms. The 5% rate is controlled by a shared cap across all 5% categories, such as groceries and utilities combined. In practice, most users can earn up to around 2,000 new coins per month at the full 5% rate, which means you received 5% cashback on about 40,000 rupee of combined spending through Tata Neu and Tata Pay. This total of 40,000 rupee usually includes both grocery spends and utility bills. For example, if you have a large family and each month you spend 25,000 rupee on electricity, gas, water, and broadband, and 15,000 rupee on Big Basket groceries, and you route all of these payments through Tata Neu and Tata Pay, your total reaches 40,000 rupee, and at a 5% reward rate, you hit the full cap of 2,000 new coins in a month. That gives you 2,000 rupee in value every month, which adds up to 24,000 rupee in a year and can more than cover the annual fee. Tata Neu Infinity is best for high usage homes where the monthly total of bills plus groceries is between 15,000 and 40,000 rupee. For people who are comfortable living inside the Tata Neu ecosystem, and for users who are happy to receive their rewards as new coins rather than direct statement cashback. Number 1. SBI Cashback Credit Card. The SBI Cashback Credit Card is not a utility card on paper because in the official terms and conditions, utility spending with merchant category code 4900 is excluded from earning cashback. In real life, it becomes the number one saver for utility payments because of an indirect method that uses gift cards. The indirect method works in 3 steps. First, you use the SBI Cashback card to buy Amazon Pay gift cards or other shopping gift vouchers on supported online platforms where the transaction is treated as general online shopping and not as utility. And on these online spends, the SBI Cashback card gives you 5% cashback, subject to its caps. Second, you load these gift cards into your Amazon Pay balance or another wallet. Third, you use the wallet balance to pay your electricity, water, gas, broadband, and other utility bills. The key point is that the cashback is earned when you buy the gift card, not when you pay the bill. So the bill payment itself does not need to earn anything. The SBI Cashback card gives 5% cashback on online spending up to 10 rupee per month, which means you can earn up to 5,000 rupee cashback in a single month. If you can buy 10 rupee worth of valid gift cards without extra fees and then use that balance over time to pay very high electricity or commercial utility bills, you can save up to 5,000 rupee every month. This ceiling is far higher than the other cards. Axis Ace stops at 500 rupee per month, PhonePe HDFC Ultimo stops at 1,000 rupee per month in the 10% bucket, and Tata Neu Infinity is around 2,000 rupee per month in new coins. SBI Cashback can reach 5,000 rupee per month as long as you are willing to use the 2-step gift card process and have enough genuine spending. In 2025, some platforms make it harder to buy Amazon Pay gift cards with credit cards, some charge a fee on certain gift card purchases, and some banks flag repeated high-value gift card transactions as quasi-cash behavior. So this method needs more care and tracking. For people with very high monthly bills, the savings are still unmatched. SBI Cashback is best for large houses, villas, or farmhouses, for small businesses with shop or office electricity bills, and for gyms, clinics, coaching centers, and other places with big monthly power costs. Now let us talk about the Swiggy HDFC Bank credit card. Swiggy HDFC is mainly a dining and food delivery card, but it can also help with utility bills using the same indirect gift card method as SBI Cashback. On the Swiggy HDFC card, you earn 5% cashback on many online spends across apps and websites, but direct utility spends with merchant category code 4900 are excluded. To use it for utilities, you first buy Amazon Pay gift cards as an online shopping transaction and earn 5% cashback on that purchase. Then, you load these vouchers into your Amazon Pay balance and pay your utility bills from the wallet. The Swiggy HDFC card caps the 5% cashback at 1,500 rupee per month, which means you get the full 5% only on 30,000 rupee of online spending in a month, and the maximum monthly saving is 1,500 rupee. This is less than the 5,000 rupee cap on the SBI cashback card, but more than the 1,000 rupee cap of PhonePe Ultimo and the 500 rupee cap of Axis Ace. Swiggy HDFC is a good option if you want one card that works well for food, plus some utility optimization if you do not qualify for SBI cashback, or if your target extra savings are around 1,500 rupee per month. To summarize, if you care only about how much you can save every month on utility bills, you should match your card choice to your bill size and your comfort with tricks. Axis Ace works best if your bills are small and you love paying through Google Pay, and it can save up to 500 rupee per month. Airtel Axis is very strong if you have Airtel Plus Lite utilities and want up to 600 rupee back each month through the Airtel Thanks app. PhonePe HDFC Ultimo is ideal if your total bills are up to 10,000 rupee per month and you live on PhonePe, because it can save up to 1,000 rupee per month. Tata Neu Infinity is the heavy lifter if you have big family bills plus groceries and can hit 2,000 rupee per month in new coins. SBI Cashback, or Swiggy HDFC if SBI is not possible, is the best choice if you are willing to use the gift card method and want to push savings into the range of 1,500 to 5,000 rupee per month, while HSBC Life Plus is the simple choice if you are happy with a steady 1.5% baseline and do not want to chase caps, apps, and loopholes.
If you are interested to apply for the credit cards, please check the affiliate link in the description.